Hello everybody, hope you all are keeping well. Today I did souffle, but unfortunately I didn't show the process, but it's very easy. I do the easy way. So these are what we are going to eat with it. Strawberry sprinkle with honey. This is the double cream in there. What I did, I took one bowl, melt my chocolate and my butter, mix it with hand, then put in a little vanilla extract, take another bowl, mixing the white egg. I separate the egg. I use the yolk to mix with the butter and to mix with the chocolate and the melted butter. Then I whisk the white egg separate. Then I put a little pinch of salt. Then I begin to whisk. Then it go foamy. Then I begin to fold it with the chocolate with the other bowl mixed with chocolate. So I'm going to go and check now to see. I think it's cooked now. It's been in the oven. Look, it's been in the oven cooking. Look at the foil. I hope all of you are keeping well, my guys. Thank you so much. I shout out to my YouTube family. Hello, guys. Hope you all are well. Keeping safe, washing your hands. So this is the souffle now. It's out from the oven. Then you oil your ramekin with butter. Then I didn't use sugar. If you use sugar, you need to put sugar. I use honey, a little bit of honey. I'm not a fan of sugar. You see, that's the problem I'm having. So now it's dead hot, man. So, ooh, I almost burned my hand, guys. Supposed to, so gonna be served like this. Look. So you oil your ramekin or any cup. You can use any cup you use. Make sure you grease it with your butter. Then if you are using sugar to bake, you can rub a little bit of sugar with the butter in the bowl. I use honey. I'm not a fan of sugar. If I'm the only one in this world, sugar company with food. Occasionally I eat demerara sugar, healthy sugar, but not like going crazy for sugar. So this is it now, guys. Thank you so much for all my lovely fans. Oh, I got great families. Wow, great families. They are so supportive, You guys are so supportive. Thank you so much for all your help, for your support, your lovely comments. Hello, Irish wifey. Hello, Temi. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello, my Sri Lanka friend. Hello, everybody. Oh, some people, when you cook here, your food is making me like, I want to dive into YouTube and eat your curry, lovely programs. Everybody, you guys are great, So let me sit down now and enjoy my souffle. That is it. Very easy to make, guys. Next time when if I see somebody to hold my camera for me, then I will show you the process. But it's very easy. This one I did today is very easy one. Very easy. Anybody can do it. It's not difficult. So guys, have a lovely day, a lovely evening. Stay blessed. And thank you so much. Shout out to all my family's friends. Hooray! Thank you, guys. Take care. Keep subscribing. Leave your comment. Tell me what you think about my souffle. I cook everything. Like, I want to learn every food. I want to cook. I want to test. That is me. So, guys, take care. And keep subscribing. Leave your comments. Bye.